Mobile platforms and logistics applications like AGVs or AMRs must reach their programmed destinations quickly. Obstructions reaching into the driveway can result in collisions, ultimately causing delays in production and delivery. A sensor solution covering the driving path in 3D can prevent these collisions, thereby reducing downtime and keeping the fleet efficient. Let me present the 3D object detection app from SICK. This sensor app runs directly on the visionary Mini, our 3D time-of-flight camera with best-in-class image acquisition. No additional processing on the AGV is required. The 3D object detection app can even detect small objects like forklift forks protruding into the driveway. Let me show you how easy it is to set up a basic configuration. Type in the IP address of the device to open the user interface. Adjust the camera mounting settings and align the sensor to the ground. 3D detection fields can be adjusted in size and individual object detection. Application-specific filter settings support a reliable detection in different conditions. For example, to fine-tune the detection of shiny objects, reflectors or small objects. Link your 3D detection fields to the mobile platform task via digital input. The detection fields can be switched dynamically while the AGV is moving. Now, with a 3D object detection app running, reducing speed or stopping the mobile platform is simply enabled. As a result, delivery delays and production downtime are reduced. Mobile platforms will work more productively.